My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware type infection that is called Selena. Selena is the ransomware that attacks the majority of file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. So, of course, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open these files without any problems. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Selena ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then pretty soon customers realize that they just cannot access their files anymore. And of course, that is the tragedy for many of them. Some people may store some valuable documentation, possibly related to their work or studies, some pictures that they cherish the most, and unfortunately, this particular ransomware doesn't care about people much. They only care about making people waste the money for nothing. When people try to open the specific file, they just cannot open the file anymore, and the files are no longer accessible. This is all because this particular ransomware encrypts the files and modifies them considerably. It adds this special Selena extension, and also some other information is added, some unique identifiers, some email address, and finally this Selena extension after the main file extension. So when you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Selena extension. The ransomware then instructs its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, of course, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored even if you pay the ransom. This is the ransomware note. It is called Selena. And it says that customers need to pay the ransom for file restoration and to contact the authors using these email addresses. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be recovered. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the task manager in your computer. If you find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, you need to terminate them. Also, we recommend you to immediately scan your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com.